Hi guys, today I'm going to be making this cute little spring aesthetic notebook page thing because, springtime. To start, I'm taking dried flowers, printed photos, washi tape, cutouts, headers, and any other little spring accessories. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my header and my cutouts and kind of arranging them in what I feel is like an aesthetic, springy look. Then I add my cutouts, accessories, and dried flowers. After I have everything arranged how I want it, I glue everything down. I use the washi tape to add little accents. Add stickers and draw little flowers. After that, I added a piece of washi tape, but then I didn't like it, so I took it right off. At this point, I just started drawing little doodles to take up the extra space. And finally, I added more dried flowers, glued them down, and my little spring aesthetic look was complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye!